Most of us will be using WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, if you are sending one message to another person and if that person is opening that message in our phone, we can see a blue tick. For example, in this phone, I am sending one message. I have received that message here. I am opening that message. Now here you can see one blue tick. So if you are seeing that blue tick, we can understand that that person has seen that message. In this video, we will be telling about how to open others' message without showing blue tick in their smartphone. For this, what we need to do is open WhatsApp. After opening WhatsApp, above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. Here you can see settings option. Click on settings. In settings, you can see one option privacy. Click on privacy. In privacy, you can see one option read receipts. By default, this will be turned on. You need to turn this off. After that, if you are opening anyone's message also, blue tick will not be shown in their phone. Let me show you an example. I am sending one more message from this phone. I have received that message here. I am opening that message. Now you can see that I have opened this message. Even after opening that message also, you cannot see blue tick here. Still it is showing grey tick. So this person will think that I have not opened this message. So this way you can open others' message without showing blue tick in their smartphone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.